So, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is indeed coming in 2025, and multiple sources have already confirmed it. What's more interesting is that the Pocket 4 will be accompanied by a Pro model, featuring additional capabilities and superior zooming features. We have already seen a leaked prototype image, showcasing a massive redesign with a first-of-its-kind dual camera system. When it comes to innovation, DJI has always been a step ahead, combining creativity with convenience. The Osmo Pocket 3 is already a great camera with gimbal stabilization, and adding an extra lens seems to be the only logical step forward for DJI. Also, the rumored specs suggest that the Pocket 4 is likely to outshine its predecessor. So let's find out more about the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and when it is going to be released. According to the new camera, the Osmo Pocket 4 will arrive in November this year. Yes, you heard it right. The report also confirmed the existence of Pocket 4 Pro, which is set to be released in the upcoming quarter. Now, we have seen multiple leaked prototype images shared by reliable tipsters. This one came from Igor Bogdanov, suggesting that the camera will have two separate lenses. That's apparently the Pro variant, while the non-version is expected to retain a single camera design. Later on, he also shared an NDA of the camera, which indicated the specs of Pocket 4. Based on the information from the NDA, the new camera will be significantly more compact than the Pocket 3, and at least 35% lighter in terms of weight, being only 116 grams. It will also be much thinner than its predecessor, and slightly taller. This will certainly be a game changer while shooting for longer hours, as you will face less hand fatigue. The Osmo Pocket 4 will feature a newly introduced OmniVision 50 megapixel 1-inch sensor, which is being used on other Pocket gimbal cameras currently. This will allow the camera to shoot 4K videos up to 240 frames per second. That's a huge upgrade compared to Pocket 3's 4K 120 FPS. Also, the new sensor comes with advanced technologies like quad-phase detection autofocus and PureCell Plus S stacked dye technology for improved performance, especially in low light. So, nighttime shots will be even better from now on. As for the two cameras, DJI is expected to add a telephoto lens to enhance the zooming control, as we mentioned earlier. Also, the Pocket 4 will be the first to use Hasselblad tuning, aside from the one on the Mavic 4 Pro, after DJI's acquisition of the legendary camera brand. This will ensure natural color for your captured footage right from the camera. Apart from these, there is not much information available about battery life or other spaces, so guess we will have to wait a bit longer to find out more about the Pocket 4 or Pocket 4 Pro. Overall, DJI is looking to create the ultimate handheld gimbal camera with a better sensor and shooting capabilities. You can carry this Pocket 4 while traveling and meet all your vlogging needs. Though the competition is growing higher with new contenders like Oppo entering the market, DJI is focused on delivering the best to its consumers. What more upgrades would you love to see with the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.